Today we will be looking at a 5-minute trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of trading indicators and strategies here on this channel, and I am constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader, and you will get access to our custom indicators as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators and strategies when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at a 5-minute trading strategy. This strategy was tested on the Euro versus USD pair on the 5-minute time frame, like I said. And this particular strategy uses two different indicators. The first indicator is going to be an AI machine learning moving average indicator. It's called the AI moving average. The second one is going to be the momentum based zigzag, which I've put down here on the lower screen. Let's go ahead and go over the numbers real quick here to see if it's even worth looking at the strategy. So we did a 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 7 break-even trades, we got 19 winning trades, and 24 losing trades. Now it's interesting to note that the take profit and stop, or at least the take profit portion of the strategy, isn't a set number, and so we are actually utilizing one of the moving average lines as our stop, or as our take profit, I guess I should say. And so often this strategy was able to get a rather large take profit versus the stop. And so right at with the 19 wins and 24 losing trades, there was definitely room for some profit on this one. Generally, the losing trades were very small compared to the winning trades. Typically 1 bar, maybe 2 before you hit the stop. So for example, right here, we would have gotten stopped out on this particular one right here for about 4 pips. And then the winning trade right here, we would have gotten about 11 pips out of that one. And there were quite a few trades where the take profit was 4 or 5 times the stop in a close regioned area to that profitable trade. And so let's go ahead and go over the strategy. First of all, let's look at our indicators here. So the first indicator we're going to put on screen is going to be the machine learning and optimized moving average by Zierman here. You'll put that on screen, and when you initially put it on screen, it won't actually have the moving average here, like this one here, these 2 moving averages. Now, this indicator is very interesting because basically it is using machine learning AI technology to constantly read these moving averages and optimize them at a particular length according to what the market is doing. Now we are going to change some settings on this just a little bit here. So the amount of historical data, we're going to put that on all data right there. We are then going to change the optimized goal to combined. We're going to change the first moving average to an EMA, the second moving average to the whole moving average. That will make these 2 moving average appear on screen and set up the indicator the way we need it. The next one is going to be the momentum based zigzag by Peter O right here. You'll put that on screen, and that will actually be up here on price action, showing these these long and short signal tags like I have here at the bottom. So what I did was I moved it to the pane down below. I just clicked on the three dots and moved it to a new pane down below here. And what we are going to do is we are going to go into style. We're going to uncheck the zigzag right there. I did turn off these labels and values, not this label right here, just these two. The input, you're going to change the select momentum indicator to a moving average and hit OK. And that gives us the setup that we have right here. So for the entries, what we are looking for is the moving average. So the blue moving average below the green moving average. It's going to be looking for sell signals. The blue moving average above the green moving average, we are looking for long trade signals. So in this case, we're looking for short trades as the blue moving average is below the green moving average. We are then going to look for a short tag to appear on the zigzag indicator here at the bottom. When that short tag appears, the price action needs to be between the blue and green moving average. So it can't be below or above, below the blue moving average or above the green moving average. Needs to be right in the middle. Then what we're going to do is we are going to set the short position right there. Our stop is going to be at the last swing high. And then we are going to exit when price breaks the blue moving average and closes back up above in a short trade. And so you can see that happens right here. Would have taken a small loss right there. Like I said, about 4 pip loss right there as price breaks below and then comes back up and closes above. Now we pick up another short right here on this one, and you can see that we get the sell tag here at the bottom, and we get a move to the downside here, and we don't close back above that blue moving average until right here, giving us a nice short trade. See if we can find a long trade here. All right, so we have a long trade set up right here on this one. The blue moving average is above the green, so we are looking for long trades. We get a long tag from the zigzag here, and the candle is in between the two moving averages. We get a nice push to the upside, and it slowly trickles back down and closes below that moving average, the blue moving average, right here. Wouldn't have been a huge trade, but would have gotten us about 5 pips altogether, and we would have been risking right at about 4 pips on that particular trade. So that's it for this strategy. It is a pretty decent strategy, very interesting using a machine learning AI indicator in this particular case, something very cool and new. I think there's a lot of possibilities with that indicator for sure. If you aren't a fan of this strategy, then you can check out our other Forex trading strategy, 15-minute trading strategy that we have developed here on the channel. It is optimized and tested to be profitable. I'll put a thumbnail up to it right now on the screen, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video, the link to the video of that strategy that you are welcome to click on and watch that video. A very cool strategy, has been doing very well in a forward test up to this point. So that's it for this video. We're going to cut it here and move on to the next video from here.